Okay, let's start from the beginning. I think that all of us here today know how difficult it is to build a great product. And that counts twice when you need to get the right people to try it. The ultimate challenge, though, is to ensure that customers not only try, but keep using your product again and again until they turn into advocates. But how do you build products people love? How do you make it easy and convenient for customers to try and buy your product? And while those challenges seem rather big, the largest and perhaps most important is to understand your customers' needs, what they value in your product, and how you can improve their experience and influence in product behavior. And while we may think that this challenge mostly concerns PMs, and of course it does, uh, if you really need, though, to move forward with a product-led strategy, you also need to consider every single organization involved with the customer journey. Luckily for all of us, the search that is turning the product into a SaaS organization's main growth lever now tends to become standard, and there is good evidence for that. For starters, the State of Product Leadership by Pendo claims that 83% of product leaders claim now to be product-led. According to Forrester, 93% of B2B buyers prefer to buy from a website over a sales rep. They wanted to get a quick taste of the real product before they make any commitment, and they decide to move forward with a purchase. And last but not least, our research on 40 product-led organizations proved that while marketing and sales metrics may still hold a leading role in day-to-day assessments, 35% of participants holding leading roles in customer success, product, and product marketing, like HubSpot, Segment, Gainsight, Pendo, and others, use emerging PLG metrics right now, like PQL scorings in their evaluations. So let's dive in and begin by describing briefly what is product-led growth all about. In case you are not familiar with the term, PLG is a very powerful strategy that relies on product usage as the primary vehicle to customer acquisition, retention, and expansion. And even if you are not offering a free trial or a freemium right now, product-led growth is really a strategy where you can pick up a specific flavor of your product to get you started. Product-led organizations deliver products that anticipate and answer customers' evolving needs. They achieve that by delivering a stellar product experience. The product, in this instance, is not just a part of customer experience, it pretty much affects every aspect of it. In product-led organizations, also, internal teams align around the insights the product derived from the product itself, with the ultimate goal to eliminate value gaps and convert accounts much faster than in a sales-led or marketing-led organization. However, this is just the top of the iceberg. If you decide to make that transition, effectively that is, you need to realize a product-led strategy who needs to keep on delivering value on a consistent cadence in order to retain and expand accounts. Successful product-led organizations that I'm certain that you already know are Slack, which famously went from 0 to 1 billion in 2 years with a product-led go-to-market strategy, Calendly, which became a 30 million ARR company with 4 million users by obsessing over customer experience, and of course, the HubSpot, which became the second fastest small business SaaS company that realized an IPO by building viral loops into their product to drive adoption rather than focusing on external acquisition channels to drive demand.